Ultra thin, ultra stylish, ultra smooth, ultra fun. This is the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, a flip phone like no other. A fantastic 3.6-inch cover display ensures that you can use all the functionalities of your phone right from here. But when you need an immersive experience, all you have to do is, yes, you guessed it right, flip it up. And that's where you get this 6.9-inch main display. With the Moto Razr 40 Ultra's camera, you can never ever have a bad picture. A 12-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 32-megapixel front camera lets you be ready for a picture anytime, anywhere. You can also use the phone as a tripod for a great video calling experience. The phone comes equipped with Dolby Atmos for an immersive content viewing experience. And the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset makes sure that your phone always performs seamlessly. It's not just a phone, it's the ultimate way to flip the fun. Exclusively available at Reliance Digital Stores. Go get yours now.